Let me show you a live mock call with the first scenario, where the claim is actually a true duplicate. This usually happens when the billing team accidentally submits the same claim twice. The first claim gets processed normally, but the second one gets denied with CO-18, duplicate claim. Let's start with this scenario.
Thank you for calling Blue Cross Blue Shield Provider Services. This is Sarah. How may I help you today?
Good morning, Sarah. This is Alex calling from Green Valley Medical Center. I'm calling to check the status of a claim that denied as a duplicate. Before we start, may I provide the claim details?
Yes, Alex, please go ahead.
Thank you, Sarah. This is regarding claim CLM 784512, which denied as duplicate. Patient name is Michael Thompson. Date of service is August 12, 2024. CPT code is 99213. Can you please confirm whether an earlier claim already exists for the same service?
Yes, Alex. I see the original claim, CLM 784511, was received on August 14, 2024, and fully paid on August 25, 2024. Your second claim, CLM 78452, came later and is a true duplicate.
Thank you for confirming. So to summarize, claim CLM 784511 was processed and paid. Claim CLM 784512 is a duplicate and should be closed. Is that correct?
Yes, Alex, that is correct.
In that case, we will close the duplicate claim on our end. Can you please provide the call reference number for today?
Yes, your call reference number is REF992451.
Thank you, Sarah. Have a great day.
What did you learn from this mock call? The first and most important thing is this. Always check the original claim status first. If the original claim already exists and has been processed, and the second claim is truly a duplicate, then simply close the duplicate claim. Never resubmit a duplicate claim again, because it will deny every time. And finally, always take a call reference number for your documentation and future audit purposes. Now, let us move on another mock call for the second scenario, where the claim was resubmitted too early. This usually happens when the billing team sends the claim again before the original claim finishes processing. The payer system still shows the first claim as pending, so when the second one arrives, it automatically denies it as CO-18, duplicate claim. Let's start with this scenario.
Thank you for calling Blue Cross Blue Shield Provider Services. This is Sarah. How may I help you today?
Good morning, Sarah. This is Alex calling from Green Valley Medical Center. I'm calling to check the status of a claim that denied as a duplicate. Before we begin, may I provide the claim?
Yes, Alex, please go ahead.
Thank you, Sarah. This is regarding the claim CLM 559231, which denied as a duplicate. Here are the details. Patient name, Sophia Miller. Date of service, July 19, 2024. CPT code 93,000. Can you please check if an earlier claim already exists for the same service?
Yes, Alex, I see the original claim, CLM 559225, was received on July 21, 2024, and it is still pending in our system. Your second claim, CLM 559231, was submitted on July 24, 2024, and the system denied it as a duplicate because the first claim has not finished processing yet.
Thank you for confirming that. So, just to summarize, the first claim is still pending in review. The second claim, CLM 559231, denied because it was submitted too early, while the original claim was still processing. Is that correct?
Yes, Alex, that is correct.
In that case, we will not resubmit the claim again. We will wait for the original claim to finish processing. Can you please provide the call reference number for today?
Your call reference number is REF880123.
Thank you, Sarah. Have a great day.
What did you learn from this mock call? The first thing you must always remember is this. If the original claim is still pending, never submit another claim. The payer will automatically deny the second claim because they are still working on the first one. So your job is simple. wait for the payer to finish processing the original claim before taking any further action. And as always, make sure you take a call reference number for proper documentation and future follow-up. Now, let's move to the third scenario, where the patient actually received the same type of service twice on the same day, but the claim was billed without the proper modifier, like 76, 77, 59, or 91. Because the modifier was missing, the payer system could not understand the difference between the first service and the second one. So the second claim gets denied as a CO-18 duplicate. Let's start with this mock call.
Thank you for calling Blue Cross Blue Shield Provider Services. This is Sarah. How may I help you today?
Good morning, Sarah. This is Alex calling from Green Valley Medical Center. I'm calling about a claim that denied as a duplicate. May I share the details with you?
Yes, Alex, please go ahead.
Thank you. This is regarding claim CLM 662941, which denied with denial code CO-18. Here are the details. Patient name, David Johnson. Date of service, September 5th, 2024. CPT code, 73564. Service performed. 2 knee x-rays on the same date, one for the right knee and one for the left knee. Can you please check if the payer received an earlier claim for the same CPT code on the same day?
Yes, Alex. I see the original claim CLM 66294 was received first and is already processed. Your second claim CLM 66291 denied, because both claims show the same CPT code without any modifier. Our system cannot tell that the x-rays were for different knees.
Thank you, Sarah. Just to summarize, the first x-ray claim, CLM 66294, was processed. The second x-ray claim, CLM 662941, denied because no modifier was added to show it was done on the other knee. Is that correct?
Yes, Alex, that is correct.
Perfect. So the correct next step is add the appropriate modifier, such as 59 or RTLT. Resubmit the corrected claim, not the original claim. Before I close the call,
Yes, Alex, that is correct.
could you please provide this call reference number?
Yes, your call reference number is REF7745512.
Thank you, Sarah. Have a great day.
What did you learn from this mock call? The first thing you should learn from this mock call is this: payers cannot guess repeat services. If the CPT code and date of service are the same, their system thinks it's the same service twice, unless a modifier is added. Always check whether the service was repeated. If it is a repeated service, please verify. Was it the same provider? If yes, use modifier 76. Different provider? If yes, use modifier 77. Separate service? If yes, use modifier 59. Repeat lab test? If yes, use modifier 91. Do not resubmit the duplicate claim as it is. It will deny again. Instead, always resubmit the corrected claim with the correct modifiers. And finally, always take a call reference number for documentation. Now, I hope the concept of duplicate claim denials is crystal clear to you. But if you still have any confusion, feel free to message me directly on WhatsApp at 992-999-65389. You can also join my WhatsApp group to get regular updates on all types of denials, resolutions, and US healthcare job openings. The link is given in the description. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and colleagues. It might help them grow in their career too. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss future updates and so that I can keep bringing more value to you.